Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Mighty Oak Tree. Don't allow your infirmities and doubts to block your path and cause you to waver. Be firm in your determination and perseverance to not give in. Keep your eye onward and boldly step with faith and peace in your heart. Know that one day it will bloom and flourish into a mighty oak tree. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for the beautiful weather. And I'm grateful for my family. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.